Omega Watches Expert presents Identifying Fake Omega Watch Listings on eBay.
Now here we have a listing for an Omega's men's watch, stainless Seamaster Professional chronometer, 300 meters. The seller seems to be okay. He has over 1,000 feedbacks. It's 100% positive. But let's have a close look at this watch. And right off the bat, as someone who's looked at thousands of Omega watches, I can tell you that this watch looks suspicious. And what we're going to do is we're going to enlarge the picture of the watch. Okay. So one of the things is common to many of the older fakes is the position of the helium valve. So this is the helium escape valve at the 10 o'clock position. And what you'll notice is the way the valve is positioned, it's midway between the 10 o'clock marker. So it straddles the 10 o'clock marker from both sides. This is a dead giveaway that the watch is a fake, because in the correct Seamasters, the helium valve would actually be positioned further up and would actually line up where my cursor is pointing right now. So if you see a helium valve that's halfway on both sides of the 10 o'clock marker, that's a giveaway that the watch is probably, the watch is a fake. The other thing to look for is the overall quality of the dial. You could see it's not very crisp. It doesn't look very nice. If we look at the date window, we see the number 9. If we go over here, you can see that the number 9 is just not very nicely done. This is not what you'd expect in a genuine Omega watch. And finally, another giveaway is the 12 o'clock lume dot on the bezel. If you look at authentic Omega watches, this dot's going to be centered very nicely. You're not going to see it protruding from the sides of the triangle. And here we see a dot that's just been very sloppily glued on to the bezel. So all these signs tell me this watch is not an authentic watch and you want to stay away from it.